In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the brake pads on the Aria and the Aria LX. To do this, you will need a pair of nose pliers. Start by gently grabbing the tabs on each of the brake pads and slowly pulling each pad out of the caliper. You can continue with the second one. So here you have removed the used brake pads. We have here a pair of new pads. You can insert them with your hands. You will not need the pliers in this case. And just let them fall into place gently. There's a magnet, so they will attach automatically. Continue with the next one. And here you have inserted new pads into the rotor.